G'day folks, and here we are back at the BC Vintage Truck Museum. This little bit of beautiful yard art is a 1949 Chevy. Do a little quick walk around and look-see under. She's been out here for a while. BC Vintage Truck Museum. Open Wednesdays and Saturdays, 10 to 2. Around the corner of 176 and 60th Avenue, in the heart of Cloverdale, BC. These gems out here in the boneyard are pieces of BC trucking history that we do not have room for inside. So unfortunately, they're out here in the elements, putting their time in. Sad but true. Let's have a peek inside this baby. (1949) Chevrolet 2-ton Flatdeck. There we go, General Motors of Canada, model 1673. Trim, paint, engine, serial number. Fortunately, because it's been sitting out here so long, the vermin are getting into it and the rust is starting to take over. Sorry about the finger there. So look at some of the gauges. Gas, battery. Hey there, little buddy. Someone's it's got a home here. And then the other one is the odometer, the heater, Chevrolet Deluxe. Right there, in case you forgot. Pretty bare basic bones, this baby. And because it's silver on the inside, I'm thinking the whole thing was at one point it's been repainted to this green color. That's my guess. Anyway, there you have her. Quick little peek at some of the other stuff here since I'm out here. This 1927 Federal Model D. Hoo-hoo-wee. Oh, hey, 1927. Got the wood floors, homemade dash, air conditioning. This is quite the piece of work, this one. Old tow truck. Love the tire bumper. Very nice. Let's go over here and have a peek at these ones. Old school GMC. $550. Love the color in this one. Let's see what's going on in here. There we go. Ooh, it's got a new seat in it. Not much in this one, to tell you who the manufacturer is. Some of them haven't been painted over. There's a little heater box. Again, this one's another one I think has been repainted. That's probably the original green in here. But I do like the robin's egg blue. Very nice. Let me step back so you can see this thing from the side. There you have her. Pretty sweet. Another workhorse from yesteryear. And over here, the Chapman's moving truck. International. Let's have a peek, see if we can get inside this one, have a look. Ooh, yeah. Woohoo. 1956 International COE Chapman. Licenses, stick them in here. Another one that's seen better days. It's too bad these things have to sit outside. What I need to do is to bring my tripod to hold the phone so I don't keep sticking my fingers in it. Lesson learned. National Harvester, Milton, Ontario, Canada. Solid. And then over here, beautiful REO Speedwagon, just like the song. Ain't that a beauty? This one's actually in decent shape. This one should be inside because it still hasn't had the elements of the weather get to it too bad yet. So get some light on it. There we go. Cool little attention to detail inside. It looks like there's the original color into there, so it has been repainted too. Alright folks, there you have her. A little sneak peek at the backyard of the BC Vintage Truck Museum. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe if you can. I've got more videos coming up as we head into spring and summer. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.